Today we are going to make this cheesy, delicious white sauce pasta. So here I have taken some water in a big vessel and I have already added 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of oil into it. Now I am adding 200 grams of pasta. You can take any shape of pasta and we have to cook it for 5 to 8 minutes at low flame. Then in a pan I am taking 2 teaspoon of oil, 2 teaspoon of chopped garlic. We have to cook this garlic at low flame for at least 30 to 35 seconds until it is soft enough. Then I am adding chopped onion. Do not overcook the garlic like I have did, so just do not darken the garlic like this. Then cook this onion until it is translucent for at least 1 or 2 minutes at low flame. Then I am adding some chopped capsicum, then some chopped carrot. You can add corns, olive, mushroom, whatever vegetables you want. Then cook it for a minute or two. Then I'm adding some salt and then 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Mix this nicely. Again cook for 1 minute at low flame, and then you can either transfer these vegetables in a bowl and in the same pan add the rest of the ingredients, or take another pan and add 4 tablespoons of butter. I'm using regular salted butter. You can also use unsalted if you want. And then 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, that is maida. So remember that the ratio of the butter and the maida is same, that is 4 tablespoons of butter and 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Cook it nicely, stir it continuously for 2 to 3 minutes until everything is mixed and the raw taste and smell of maida is gone. After some minutes you will see that the color will change a bit, and this is the right time to add the milk. I am adding 2 cups of milk. You can increase or decrease the amount of milk according to the consistency of the sauce you want. I am adding 2 cups. You can increase or decrease. Then use a whisk to mix all of these and to avoid lumps. You can see a very nice thickness of the sauce. Now I am adding half a cup of grated processed cheese. You can also use cheddar cheese, mozzarella cheese, or even cheese slice. If you are using cheese slice, then 2 to 3 cheese slices is good enough. Again mix it nicely until everything is combined well. Now I am adding 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes, and 1 teaspoon of oregano, and 1 teaspoon of peri peri. You can also add mixed herbs or any spice that you have at home, or you can skip any of these if you do not like. Then mix it nicely, and now I am adding the vegetables that we tossed earlier. Add this and again mix this with the sauce. As I said, you can increase the amount of milk if you think that the thickness of the sauce is very much. Now I am adding the boiled pasta, which I have strained and washed with cold water to avoid the overcooking. So to see how to boil pasta nicely, you can see the video that I have made on the crispy macaroni. Now mix this pasta very well. Make sure that each of the pasta is coated well with the sauce, and cook this for 3 minutes more at low flame. Do not overcook this. Look, while serving only you can make out how creamy and cheesy these have came out. Now I'm sprinkling some oregano at the top. You can also sprinkle some red chili flake and grated cheese at the top. How nice and cheesy texture it has got. So this is our cafe style white sauce cheesy pasta ready. So when are you making it?